So lack of business continuity, here we have we are there in the video first, this point, lack of business continuity, right? So lack of business continuity basically means that if owner is there, till only the business will live, the business will no longer exist if owner is not well physically, if owner is not well mentally, or if he is not in a condition of running the business. Why? Because there is not a single another person. It's a business which is governed by a single person. We don't have another person who can come and start the business, or who can come and run the business. That is the reason this feature we have in SP, that the lack of business continuity is there, because in case something happened with SP, the business will no longer exist. So let's start with the another thing here. Now we will be talking about the advantage of sole proprietorship, right? SP के क्या advantage हैं? Now simply we can understand that if there is any business which is run, owned, managed, or decision are taken by a single person, what is going to happen here? The decision will be a quick decision. Any business where 4-5 people are owner there, right? वहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है? Each and every decision need to be talked and discussed between these 4-5 people first, which is going to take more time. So that become the advantage here for the SP, that because sole proprietorship, there is a single owner here, so he and she does not need to consult any another person for the purpose of taking decision, and that is the reason decision are taken quickly. तो फर्स्ट एडवांटेज एसपी का क्या हो गया कि एसपी में जो डिसीजन होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? क्विक होते हैं. Next is confidentiality. Now this is basically because single owner is there, he don't need to tell any secret of business, or he don't need to share any secret of business with anyone else. So always the matter of business are confidential inside or within him only. Third is direct incentive. Now direct incentive is basically means because one person is running the business, right? He is the one who is owning the business, he is the one who is managing the business, he is the one who is taking all the decision of the business. So in case profit occur, that will also go directly to him. In case losses occur, that will go also directly to him. So what he is getting here? He is getting direct incentive of his work. Next is easy of formation and closure. Now as in the feature also we have discussed that sole proprietorship form of business organizations are very easy to start and very easy to close. Whenever any person want to start a form of business organization as SP, they does not need to go through with lots of legal formalities. इसमें ज़्यादा legal formalities नहीं होती हैं. So it can easily start it. Even for the closing also, because it is a single person who is running the business, he does not need to consult with so many people there. He does not need to go through with lots of legal formalities. So the starting and the closing of the business is very easy. Now let's go through with the next one. And the next advantage of sole proprietorship basically is, just a minute children, it's sense of accomplishment. Now sense of accomplishment basically say, let's take an example that if you have your business, right, you know that you have done the investment over there, आपको पता आपने अपना बजट डाला, उसमें आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट लगाया है. यू नो इन केस यू विल नॉट डू हार्ड वर्क, यू विल बी गेटिंग लॉसेस, राइट? इफ़ यू नो दैट इन केस यू डू गुड वर्क, you will get profit. So what is here? We always have a sense of accomplishment here. Why? Because we have this feeling of mine, right? कि ये क्या किसका बिजनेस है? हमारा बिजनेस है, इसमें मेरे इन्वेस्टमेंट लगे हुए हैं, एंड वॉट एवर इज गोइंग टू बी रिसीव, दैट इज अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू रिसीव इट, right? So these kind of business are always having sense of accomplishment, and that is the reason that the owner of these kind of business work very hardly or honestly, because they know that whatever is going to get, whether it is profit or loss, they are the single one who are going to receive it. They are the single one who are going to bear out the losses also. They are the one who are going to face the profit also, right? So because it's our business, it's mine business, there is always a sense of accomplishment over there, and that become an advantage also it create a motivation or encourage the owner to work more hard and to work more honest with more honesty. Now that was all about the advantage. Let's go forward and start with the limitations. Now as we have seen, every business has certain advantage also and certain disadvantage also. So in the form of SP also we have certain disadvantage. Now let's see this disadvantage. The first is limited resources. Now very easy to understand, because single person is there, whatever he have he will be investing that only. रिसोर्सेज को अगर आप इसे यहाँ पे समझें तो वी कैन टेक एज फंड ऑल्सो, फाइनेंस ऑल्सो. इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर बिजनेस, आप अकेले अपने बिजनेस को स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, कैसे स्टार्ट करोगे? जो रिसोर्सेज आपके पास में अवेलेबल हैं, जो फंड्स आपके पास में अवेलेबल है, जो लैंड आपके पास में अवेलेबल है, उससे स्टार्ट करोगे, राइट? सो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन हियर? दीज रिसोर्सेज आर गोइंग टू बी इन अ लिमिटेड मैनर ओनली. एक सिंगल ओनर के पास में जो रिसोर्सेज होते हैं वो लिमिटेड होते हैं. डेफिनेटली व्हेन टू पीपल विल कम जॉइन द बिटिंग, जॉइन द बिजनेस, दे विल हैव मोर रिसोर्सेज, राइट? बट सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप इज समवे वेयर ओनली वन पर्सन इज हैंडलिंग एवरीथिंग. एक ही ओनर है. सो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो उसमें रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल होते हैं बिजनेस को चलाने के लिए, वो कैसे होते हैं? लिमिटेड होते हैं. नेक्स्ट डिसएडवांटेज से लिमिटेड लाइफ ऑफ बिजनेस. लिमिटेड लाइफ ऑफ बिजनेस वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इन द फीचर ऑल्सो, राइट? जहाँ पे हमने पढ़ा था दैट बिजनेस डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एंड रीजन फॉर दिस इज व्हाट, दैट इन केस समथिंग हैपन रॉन्ग विद द सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप ओनर, राइट? सो बिजनेस विल ऑल्सो क्लोज. दैट्स वाई द लाइफ ऑफ अ बिजनेस इज ऑल्सो लिमिटेड. Next is unlimited liability. This is the biggest disadvantage of sole proprietorship form of business organization, that the owner who is responsible for the business, or the owner, if the business assets are not enough for outside liabilities, his or her personal assets will also sold. Children, here you need to understand one thing, that if you start any business, it is not possible that you will be able to arrange all the finance or fund yourself only. आपको कुछ फाइनेंस को बाहर से भी अरेंज करना पड़ता है. सोर्सेस ऑफ बिजनेस फाइनेंस, दिस वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इन टू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, राइट? नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट अनलिमिटेड लाइबिलिटीज़, जब आप अनलिमिटेड लाइबिलिटीज़ की बात करते हैं, this is basically going to tell you that in case a owner has taken loan from somewhere and he is not able to pay out that loan from the business assets, अगर वो business की assets से वो loan को pay नहीं कर पा रहा है, so in that case that loan all need to be paid out from his personal assets also. Let's take an example of one general store opened by A. Suppose A ने एक general store खोला है, right? और A ने इस general store को खोलने के लिए 1 लाख का लोन लिया है. नाउ द टाइम पीरियड हैज़ क्रॉस्ड, टाइम पीरियड क्रॉस हो गया उसको पे करने का, एंड ए वॉज नॉट एबल टू पे द मनी. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, ए हैज़ टू सेल द एसेट्स ऑफ हिज बिजनेस. एसेट्स ऑफ बिजनेस क्या होगी? ए की जनरल स्टोर्स के उसके प्रोडक्ट जो रखे हुए हैं, उसको अपने मटेरियल को सोल्ड करना पड़ेगा, उससे उसको जो मनी मिलेगी वो लोन पे करने में यूज़ करेगा, right? In case after selling the assets of business also he is not able to pay the money back as loan, then what need to be done? He has to sell his personal assets also. So when we come for selling our personal assets, यानी वो पॉइंट जहाँ पे आपके बिजनेस एसेट्स इनफ नहीं होते हैं आपकी लाइबिलिटीज़ को पे करने के लिए, और ओनर को अपनी पर्सनल एसेट्स को भी सोल्ड करना पड़ता है, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज अनलिमिटेड लाइबिलिटीज़. सो दिस इज़ विथ एसपी. ये किसके साथ होता है? एसपी के साथ होता है, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप के साथ होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक प्रॉफिट रिसीवर सिंगल है, अलोन रिस्क बेयर भी है. तो इनकेस लाइबिलिटीज़ पे नहीं कर पा रहा बिजनेस के एसेट से, तो उसकी पर्सनल एसेट से उसको लाइबिलिटीज़ को पे करना पड़ रहा है, राइट? नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट with the another limitation or disadvantage, and that is going to be limited manager skills. Now why limited manager skills? Everybody know that if we have one people working somewhere as a owner, so वो सिर्फ अपने ही skills को use करेगा. All of us know that we have a limited skills. Someone is very good in calculating, making or handling accounts. Someone is very good in taking decisions. Someone is very good in attracting the customer, right? So these all are different quality which are with different people also, right? Now when we talk about SP, because SP is, it's only one person who is handling the whole business. राइट, क्योंकि एक ही पर्सन पूरे बिजनेस को हैंडल कर रहा है. सो देर इज ऑलवेज अ चांस और देर इज ऑलवेज अ केस ऑफ द मैनेजिंग लिमिटेड skills also with a person. Now when we talk about partnership form a business organization, which we are going to read into a next step. So वहाँ पे क्या होता है, बिकॉज मैनेजर एक से ज़्यादा लोग वहाँ पे ओनर होते हैं. सो दे ऑल हैव व्हाट, दे ऑल हैव different kind of managerial skills available here, which are not there in case of SP. So children, this was all about your sole proprietorship form of business organization. In the next video, we will be talking about our next form of business organizations.